Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by cleaning thoroughly. Remove oils with an ultrasonic or solvent, then rinse in distilled water so oxides form predictably. Once done, assemble your anodizing station, distilled water bath, titanium workpiece clipped to the positive lead, and a stainless or lead cathode connected to negative. You apply low voltage first, around 5V, to check for proper color progression. Make sure to monitor current. Steady low current means even oxide growth, which creates the interference colors you want. You progress through voltages gradually to build the oxide thickness that creates specific colors. For example, moving from 5 to 15V shifts hues predictably because oxide thickness increases. Once slightly higher, hold each voltage for 10 to 60 seconds depending on desired saturation and agitate gently to avoid hot spots. Make sure to note temperature and timing because both affect interference layers. If you need a deeper shade, add small voltage increments. If it flickers, lower the rate and stabilize the bath. You finish by neutralizing and rinsing in distilled water immediately, then dry with a lint-free cloth or air dry to lock in the interference color. Once dried, you can quench in cold water or apply a clear coat to improve wear resistance. Make sure the finish is fully dry before handling. If you see patchy or uneven color, reclean the piece, inspect all electrical connections for corrosion, and try the process again at a slightly lower current to reduce localized overheating and promote.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.